In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a refund in Xero. If you've ever found yourself needing to process a refund in Xero but weren't quite sure where to start, this guide will walk you through it step by step and demystify the process. Let's dive right in. To begin, the first thing you need to do is log into your Xero account. Head over to the Xero login page and enter your credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself at the Xero dashboard. This is your command center for all things accounting within Xero. Now within the dashboard, the next step will be to navigate to the business menu. Locate this at the top of the screen. It's usually positioned next to other menu options like accounting and contacts. Click on the business menu and from the drop down list that appears, select invoices. This will bring up your invoices screen where you can manage all your billing documents. Here, you'll want to focus on invoices that are awaiting payment, so click on the awaiting payment tab. This action will filter your invoices to show only those that haven't been settled yet. Scanning through these, select the particular invoice for which you need to process a refund. Clicking on the invoice will open up detailed information about that particular transaction. At this point, look for an option to enter the refund amount. You'll need to carefully input the exact amount that you intend to refund to your customer. This ensures that your accounts remain accurate and up to date. Once you've entered the amount, the next thing you want to do is set the date for the refund. Make sure to choose the correct date, as this will reflect in your accounting entries and affect your financial reporting. Then it's time to decide which account you'll use for processing this refund. Choose the appropriate banking account from which the funds will be deducted or credited. This is an important step to ensure the refund is processed from the correct source. Optionally, you can enter a reference for the refund. This can be anything from a brief description of the refund reason or a code that helps you or your team track the refund later. It's a handy way to keep your records organized. Finally, you'll click on Add Refund. This action confirms the refund entry in Xero and updates your records to reflect this transaction. And there you have it. You've successfully entered a refund in Xero. By following these steps, you ensure that your financial data remains accurate while maintaining smooth operations with your customers. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out more tutorials to keep up to speed with everything Xero has to offer.